radia utumi so asafo urade santi na santi nyankopon wodi obi ni wachi ana obi so enni wanimu every me santi na santi nyankopon on sachrada ana pay wa Yesu Kristo dimo my crown ya show the enemy am watching urade ya saba wanimu biemu yewra wanimu am watching hey sabo ya homba akaye ho eri efie nyina sie de wase Wasma ya mai, wasma mai, wasma ya different ya fiba driver for, wasma post for, asia for. Yero wase. E wo urade na bobo ya ho ban. Put him hoda. Eri atiefo nyina. Ese crown do anumunyam anopay nasi anopay ene wontontom anopay Ishra hoden asia ye kamfo peja yawo janyankopon dia misanti eja na santi eja ona hwe yenso na aboye ho ban woni ye nyankopon Asasini na dia dudu nyina ye urade dia enokre asasino ene ye na ewo mu nyina ye wodia biasini wona wotimu no wono anapay ye wo ye ma wo ye different ye fiba wo ye wodia ye ja ye ho sha wonso ono kafo de jaya ho sha wonsa kaya ho na boya ho ban tutua na mosi yie hwe nso maye ni nkonim yina tiofo nyina hye a omode ahyehya afo ye ho nyina urade ma nye kwa sansa wo ye ono kafo urade wo ono kafo na wahye boro no ana obeye wona aboye ho ban wona adom yen wona ahyira yen wona hwe di fresu ni fiba anopay ye dawo sa wa urade wa boya ho ba kan ho efiada batu ye ne a ye nyen monyam bi amfa ye nyen na ase bi amfa ye nyen ayeye bi amfa ye nyen tuntum bi amfa se wo ye ono kwafo awurade otete bontan nyankopon ena no pay oma ye de wase eje de dua yina sha wonsa ye bekọ ye beba ye betenase ye beda ye befra ye ba ye adwuma ehyerese wo ye yibenkum ane ye nimfa so ame ye ho amasem biara saya dia esan ewurade manon parien na wa ho odin enye kese ewo yenso o Jesus Christ dimo ane ye bompaya anopay amen.
Amen.
Ama asumdwen kan.
Asumdwen kan so.
Oh ye pa.
Na me adom le mompai bo me hoye. Na nso.
Ah mo bro ne ye pa. Atefo nyina ba bia mo bia no Adom Ahengua na nim dwumadie na no pai ede bro bishop yaw wusu ansa dwumadie so na wotie me. Ye mo achi bi mo am Facebook Adom 106.3 FM. Dear wo share na wutie bia so bomo de answer woni obi ebeche share your comments and your suggestions. You're welcome. Yes, mame Yami Shrao say enano pay bi mu susu no aya dum na yes account buja ye mame ya me no e kan ho asem na ye betie no pay or your dean of students our Garden City University Kumasi Garden City University, the only garden city Ghana Kumasi University of Honomo and I am me or the dean of students and Nyame Adom just say or your mother at the same time me who said your men canoe they said who said your men canoe once I will not do so me a futu kasatre wa ukoye adwuma just a career counseling and no da hono ye fan say asetena mu abrabo kontenkro abrabo awafo de afutu a odi be mawo obetu na anware betu ma maware efo asukufo ofo sans wo kire sukufo ade enu da nchen a wo ye sofo a obetu fo wakasa kiro pa anobe ono na ye hia no afidie so Adom Ahengua nanim dwumadi me dem din do Ofori-Atta ye ma me wode Krista osei mensa mama me sam wachi bi
me jo so sofo me jo so me da se
mra metie won nsem wo ba bi tie won nsem wo ba bi me ma no dwumadi so ensem wo de ba ye de responsibility Anopai minim se wodi bi be famu so famu I don't know. Now said here Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1 and 2 ekano. Or say yeni yawofo eni ewe guradin en eradimu. Oto aso eba he no say di wagya ne wonani. Na won kwa na minim de dia odika de agya no bae ansa na odi na no ba. Na won kwa na wa asase so ya eje nyankopon de ma ho. Na wahunu papa. Nidie ni obu aye de ma yawofo anase emema fathers na me Adom akwese da we say aye Father's Day na ye be celebrate by no ansa no abuja ba bia obi aro wo amoso yasene ya de dwumade we say ebreho aye Patos AIB wo mo no de aye dra na sanitizer ya ye frɛ no Centaur abadwaso na Centaur no unya bia ebeboa kan onipadua emfadam bia mraw in fact aduane ba bia beko bia so kotwa aduane kura fi market ba wo betumi spray ho ya mfuso bia eni ho na wo betumi yisu wonhia ba bi ti se banks ye hostels na say mall na say studio wonya sa Centaur bia wo betumi dia sanitize ho natural disinfectant wonya bia ababoa na wa yisu utika mu abudumi yisu oba office abudumi yisu ye omo na omaso yasena no pay edwumadi we say but all go filling stations ubenya bi ewo ho idu sopo ubenya bi ho no. All right ma pacho anopay yengasa
opo me da say because what ti echia etiefo nyina
omo josu
so say that chona wo kenkan ye no wo say ejanom ana na wo bisa say unima de kudi ntia ye de ejanom de di kan ejamu a leader in the home they lead the home intino ye do mu di kan especially ye di wo edi kan because in the house no omo ye kandifo ewo efie ni mu sana erade ayewom aye ejanom kandifo na o koso no o kan eto no so for kan na me ntie kakra.
Okay utia sa utie ni a baby aye kuri asi anope ya ye de kasa Ephesians chapter 6 ye fapem ema anope dwumedi o say ema mutie mu awofo asem awurade mu na ye na etene yenu di wagya ene wonani ye ni emra asem a edikan a bohye ewo mu na awie wuye wonna aware asase so na awie wuye na wona zaware asase so.
Amen.
Amen.
O se na awie wuye edie benti na adekese se Ewurade ede ahye eja ene enansa eja o se na awie wo abofra no eyi enti etese eja bia wo influence bia obedi be ma ne ba ebewie abofra no yie and that influence no modeling good behavior wankasa eja no wo bua abofra no atete no ama watumi ada papa bi edi modeling good behavior.
Modeling good behavior.
Yes. Say enu ana ye kan sembi say edu baby a na maamefo no yes wo de wo papa ba maamefo no enim eja no asede na emom omo ka koa no ana so omo ka de ehu bi ene to emofra no so so that it's say o mami bi enim say eja no so no influence me who say me say kan ni influence no ewo abofra no so no eboa abofra no ema no eye ni stuban no bibiye enti enye se meja aba se de bia no wo bebo me na emom eja no timi ne me trafe ene me fa adwene chima dwene kire me ema me timi efa pantempon no eso na me na no awar wo asase so na estimiye you because it's a abofrano Bible proverbs can say a good son makes his father glad.
Omane papa
energy. Na ansana abofrano betumi aba be good son amane papa eni adwe no papa no nso wo influence ewo abofrano abraboso ezo papa no timi influence abofrano emra we influence abofrano wo bua no ama no ashepi ni good behavior say be obedi ye wa asase so no esese wo eja no wo spend quality time quality time with abofrano ehono na eneno enam say we are looking at the modern day father ebi ana okra wo trek ebi kura na we are father as a won shede ni fie enye boapayo adwuma a we yenti amu akodi baby ana say akontuo kura ma wakakodi baby no you can still spend quality time with wobano obi se bi na o maame no so wo kan edu baby a quality time no physical face to face no eye de nanso se wo kodi baby na wunti ne abofra no enya saa mashawani kita hudie na abefo ekwan bebre wo ho a wo betimi ene abofra no edi nkomo ebi kura ye Skype ebi kura ye even WhatsApp video yi ebi kura so tefe ene Zoom yi kura nyina aba anasa na kura no kata phone na nkasa fa utimi fira kwala na wo betimi no nya quality time ewo phone so enti no ene modern day fathers no mayenka say because ya ye busy yakoha me sofo panyi bi ka kire me say ono otu kwan na wo kwa amanone a wo frɛ ne ma ono wo kodie program na waba wo frɛ ne ma obi a 10 minutes eye quality time ni dia ta no kura na WhatsApp ne sa na emayi maso enti na ye de ye toka efre enkoda because agency wo eja no wo influence bi enti se would ni ho wo presence kura ni ho a esese wo communication ewo ho and there are so many ways ye ne ye ma ekasa as a father and you know influence them. But say we no mo ye conversation afi no baba bedroom pempen so bi as a father ubehu emofra no o ma dwene kire se de Omukra no, omu ewiasefa.
Esifa.
Ehu ewiasefa. Omani swadi ehu pa wiase no. Anything. Your responsibility is to influence them. And I won't influence you or a shepherd. But enam rapport another relationship I wouldn't want to build in 18. Omu timi feel free. And they will share omu fears.
Yeah.
And they will share omu challenges.
Yeah,
and they will share omu energy. Because your man, the fear of the unknown, how omu.
Okay.
Or share or say, hey, na me kwa da channel. As a father, over share abofrano in crime. So you model good behavior. You influence them. The entire major influence, let's say, you move the dream, your papa mu influence where your brother no is and I say any okra. But we need them, especially the sons. They need them. As I say, a jano, a mofrano, especially meremano, a benwo, very important. In this modern era, social media, in this modern era, peer pressure, no, high media, electronic and both printing, influence your man negatively, no, responsibility back on so be influence over no positively. And yes, the woo yes, jai and fatwa, so you test the woo influence will be abrabumwa and your questions and answers. But you are involved. In our friend life.
You are involved.
And yes, sir, we be frabo and ran a report about 1 year. And then you cannot influence the child. You influence the child with communication and quality time.
Okay.
We influence and Mahbofano, Enya Ahotos will be a woman into with me approach you with a challenge. And Mahbofano will pin up.
Adom 106.3. Adom Ahengua ni mjumedi na bushano pay yede ebro yemame Crystal say mensa and oche influence and they would influence opa. Say as a father no nyese wo de akwara na ba wiase nko a nyase wo se utumi influence akwara no na sitena mu nyafia sabi why say wanyini no na wadwen say person influence na this time awusa in fact umkura tumi kire say woda yefunu mu kura no the father no there are several things you need to do because several things are sometimes we say anytime bia me kakra anytime bia we say wo awra no we say akura no keka no ho ye wonu a what voice no pe because that voice no too fi ho what pe we say o keka no ho sometimes we kura say why din you know twaso school komu or homework say visual learning or the bar now you are involved you know between your hundi akran also woman you do pempeso be abuko Japon to say university ni you know still they say Ukraine university no kitwa usa enso no woko bomodi anse obi wura mo da mu ni ade na wo bisa o hye hodin ase hwe nkoso no na wura ho. You want to find out a parent, a father. These are some of the things. Me ma kwan and was self on me if you are feeling as a pamono. Name me yinsi kwan. Man ba trust.
Also for obi say na me a single mother. Me a single mother. Into the year kan nyina efa eja ho no. Say eja no so we a single mother e bia na eja na firimu na ma wa single mother. Let's to ye wo e bia eja figure bi e wo ho a abofra no e hwe ne so. Ono nso so betimi aye involve influence abofra no. E bia na wo no we are single mother because of separation and after divorce. Na emofra na be di wo ho na emom no papa no wo akwanya say otimi ene emofra no enso kata as a mother no mestra will say ebiana whatever went on na relationship no say between wo one agya no enya ade papa enti bi a yaw bi wudi yaw bi ewo mu but me wa asem be ka kire wo say wudi yaw wo mu de but amofra no one agya ene papa no and the father has a responsibility and role to play in their life. Let's throw any diemu. Jadie, Nelson ma a jano pine. Na ontimi fa sani influence no embra and kodano. It's not about the negative behavior. Mumu mienu ana namo ya wadefo a ayonkofa no entimi anko nanim. Enu nsi ho kwan, ensi wo ma no ho kwan. Let's say a gentleman so bibi saaba no nto ma po emofra no ama emamefo no omu fi emofra no bestraw one so no kwan bi so na involved with your kid se say the American nyese bi a wo befa wo makọ but se say wo no wo mo kasa se kwan da wo se se wo hia wo mo kakra na wo no wo mo di enkomo so a say wutimi eye because emofra no de enu no ye center of montokwane emofra no ye innocent people onyame na mumi elu so ede abasa asi so na nka de ye hwehwe ne se enka mo mayonko fa mo beto aso but entimi amasa emfa eho asotwe no emma mofra no they need you as their father.
Obi ho no mo o hwe se de maame no de ode aye no pa no grand school no eno ano no
that's all maame no na de ade na yawo mofra no de ade na yawo ye fiti aka ne se mofra eye akyede a wonyame de amaye they are arrows in our hand enti no se tabeta frache wona wo yire nware ne se wa ye wade ama na show se emanu ye wo mana wuji tum se ye wo madia ye wo responsibility se wo to influence wo. You are not influencing them negatively, but you are influencing them to help shape their life. So they are a jano any responsibility and I say a just suka class as a daddy a woman friend who bet to me I am an a daddy. A baby here both parents. Irrespective of whether more worry and after more worry.
We are both parents.
Oh, say Bible na working time. One can say, Okunu na yere.
Say Jack.
Or say a Jack and and you know, it has got nothing to do with marriage. So we have a responsibility as a father, no? It has got nothing to do with marriage. Enti esese wutini nya influence wo bana brabo so enti esese mo kan wa senti edu baby aware gya ye ba ye child custody any child right nyina ampo ye ka ho asem ade ti ye ka wa senti be ka se ba ko na wo de ko e no fa nkwai oh enti esese eba tetia everybody has a role to play enti se wuni maame na brabo mu anasa watu kwan akọ baabi a enjai ade ni nyina mbo wo ba ne so let your influence count.
Okay.
So we know the quantity and me we influence what I know.
Yeah, papa influence. Because influence we see obi either say or influence for the negative and as one your crown. A hard dream. One say akra no enyini no eye de uhunu ye. Who say so for say edu baabi a wo maame. Say ebi asebe be ma na anjini nsen no. Na ebufuo koba unse wutini ka kire wo ba wo ye keto wutini ka tense papa na wu wunsa koda na ekọ na nimu a no ahia se ebisa o ne papa o bisa ho asem se se o ko school ankwada no na so obi a dwene ho adekronti a abofra wada ne na yam no eja anje no na nso abofra ni nyini preko pen wo kọ na nimu a na wo bisa enane se eja wen me fa kwanya we susu etu mere mafo Ejanuma mushe ni say amonye no monye. Amen. Because a part of God's creation. So wo eja. Wo benya ensunsansuo bi ewo abofra wa wo no so. Whether wo ware maame na na so wo ware maame no. Enti wo say abofra no efili wo eja no wo part
Ena enye matua school fees nkwa o. Eja no enye matua school fees ma provide aduane ma de wo pe bia ma ya ma na sidan ya ma afedi ebiem ohia we emotional support e pa wo. Apart from the physical and all those things, abofrani here your affection as a father.
I see.
Abofrani here will love as a father. Abofrani here say we bet as a father. Abofrani here say we need benya quality time. Abofrani here so ni benya enkita hundie. Na a building self-confidence, na ne self-esteem, so etimi abuano. Entino abofrani hia enye sika nkwani e de tete abofra e was say wo ben abofra no the affection part no and they do the bia na eho ayeden.
All right, hey enye sika nkwana ye de tete amofra. All right, me ko Facebook na ma kan ba ko mienu miensa ma me ba na che say as ye born tofa ye born tofa na ye di esie. All right, Prince Opoku Ajman o say hallelujah. Tama, I mean, thank you and amen. Prince Opoku as Excel Kisley. Thank God for another awesome day listening to you from Shaman. Rama Ajman, as I'm watching you, Yahuku, I say amen. Queen Agnes Amapra, I say good morning, Papa. Powerful message. God bless you. Akosia Bia, say God bless you, Bishop. Ofori-Atta. David Penty, was a powerful message. God bless you. And Rama or Bonnie Sempas, and some way say, na yes, was it, man, woman tea. Party Odum, I was watching you live from Dubai. Madam Krista, God bless you for enlightening us this morning. Comfort Abina Bonsra is watching you. Hey, Abna, Yamishra. Comfort. Okay, Abna Korea. Stephen K. Ogusu, Papa, you are a blessing to us this week. As fathers, God bless you, Papa, and God bless you, Mama Krista. Oh, Krista, Bajo, for you. Sima.
Osofo.
Mami.
Ni America ina say Bible essay the one na ne wajeni. Na won kwa na awar wa asase so na awie wuye no e kire se eja no enso so ewo part bi play ewo wabrabo mu se de be ya ebetumi awie wuye enti si ye eja no mu ye di ye day kwesi adenti ye di this week ni na esti ho e kire eniema kakra ese se eja no ye eja bia me hye wunkuran se ma wure mfi wo ho da say wo botaye bi ewo wo ba no abrabo so enu nti na ewrade de saa eba no ebrewo na wanfa ba no ankoma kwesi mensa ne saa ni nti no bomodi biara bo ho modini biara say wo be ye involved in wo life wo ba no abrabo mu na watimi influence no whereby you help the child model a good behavior. Said the beya ebetini esti abofrani yi. So we were bitterness via erade nkumwa na ompejam firi ho na efa onfa odobi emehye mu na tumi fa etete wo ma efa hwe wo ma maame afom wo de nanso meka kire wo say maame afom wo emfa ehwo hya wo no emfa onfomofra no so emofra no ye innocent children. Because of that, it is your responsibility to be involved in their life and to influence their life and also be affectionate to the children. And I'm so much a Jebiara happy Father's Day in advance, especially yeah, Papa Bishop Dr. Yao Uswa Papa. Eradim Pejao, Nonya Wakase, non Trawashim, on Fawura Tokrobia. Nanka winning so wube wuremu na yenti wudin e wuri ase afane na erade hira so Ofori-Atta na so anya okese eme maji na me hira na ochi wudi aye hira bebrebe di amaye e ma me Crystal say me sama e chia kuma so fo nyina Stuff on Betty.
That's it. Bye. Adom 106.3. Adom Ahengua na nim dwumadie na busuano pay edebra wo. Na tie. Bomodia na se wo ye agya no. Wasade antontwene anope wote influence your influence di akwada na ye biara obeso wotene papa mu enkwa akwada no ho. Ye sika nko ena mama ni sika na me de aduane ato ena me de we ato there be your involvement obuano na di wo ye na wo mu bi de na different na fi ba bia no omodi anse wani sa akwara no sa enya for bone ba ne yi yomu. Alright abusia wona so yasin ma no padwumadie na wotwi mu ye di bra wo na no pese wutiye efiri Adom 106.3 a Partos AIB na wono and what disinfectant and as a sanitizer we are say any Ghana ha yati atisi babibia your friend no center we hia bi awofie wangaza so hia bi wotu kam we hia bi efie we hia bi in fact over studios and banks school hostels hospitals mu hia se wo se mu disinfect a hospital ho mo center ababuawo na what media yo okọ filling station na no a ubenya bi ho ana wato ye no an se opese wonya ne dosopo a na se otom nka so a 054 341 0136 054 341 0136 bomodia se wonsa ebeka bi atumi aboawo. Belated birthday Adiza, a clearing agent what Temahabo from your husband and children. I think your main house no more who by no man ting. All right, Abusia. Kwame Anum, watching was scientific. And it's a bit Juma scientific, Mami Cocrano, Akrade. Stop Beneza. Yebeba. So mami yebeba botanichi esikuma odobin brakwa they came from home also sa. All right abusia almost one latte ekuapem yeah papa your friend no ada kwa kula bi odami otu. Yeah, weekend so be crap papa yachi. We nyina nyamen come on why. Na wo hwe mo so why. Na wo no mo. Etrema bishop ya owusu ansa. Me dey Ofori-Atta. Na wo twi me do share radensa. Otutu ana mo si ye. Me jawo ma eja ya friend CJ. Odo be ko. Lord wako. Me dey Ofori-Atta. Me do si